Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT NEO 3T, and let me show you how to change the date and time of this device. At first, unroll the list of all apps, then find and select Settings, go to System Settings, and pick Date and Time. And now switch off Automatic Date and Time, and here you can smoothly manage it by yourself. So let's go back in time a bit, and this is how you can smoothly change it, smoothly by tapping. And time is working the same way, so smoothly use your fingers to manage date and time here. Then you can go back and it is set. Whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, you just have to use the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.